All right, you guys, I am coming off of the video where I unboxed the first mystery box from the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day launch of 2020. In this video today, we are unboxing the second size up for the mystery boxes, and that is the deluxe mystery box that retails for $100. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. If you saw that video, you know my excitement. If you missed it, you can always check it out by clicking the link in the description box down below. I am unboxing all three of the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery boxes, but I did space them out into different videos just because I wanted to kind of enjoy the moment and just really savor it and give the boxes just a moment to shine all by themselves. Like I said, I'll be unboxing this deluxe size mystery box today, which has an apparel item in it because it asked me to pick a size. So we're gonna see that today. By the way, if this is your first time stumbling upon my face and my channel over here, hi, what is up? Welcome. I am Ashley Ellix and I'm a cruelty-free beauty YouTuber here on the tube posting beauty-related videos 3 times a week. And I would love it if you would consider at any point in time in this video going down and tapping that little red subscribe button. That way you get notified when I post those 3 times a week videos. But enough chit chat, enough jibber jabbing, you know the drill. If you are here to see me unbox this deluxe size mystery box from Jeffree Star's Valentine's Day launches of 2020, it's a mouthful, I know, and you're in the right place, and all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop. All right, let's dig in. Okay, I want you guys to take a quick guess. This is a $100 box. How many items are supposed to be in it? 8 items are supposed to be in this box with 3 exclusives. So take your guesses down below. Let me know what you think is going to be included in this box. I'm really excited to see your guys' guesses and stuff. I don't know, because what I got in the last video, I'm just like, that was my #1. I was so wanting that one thing that I got that wasn't an exclusive. So I don't know what's going to be in this one. Ooh, okay. Can I take a guess? I want to take a guess. I hope it's one of the like lip collections, the minis, you know, because I don't have very many of his liquid lips, so I'm really hoping for that, but we'll see. We'll see in a second. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, I see lots of things, lots of stuff. Let's take a little peek right here. Okay, we see a hat. We see a hat. This is super cute. I don't know. Do I want to keep it? Do I want to save it for somebody else? Do I want to keep it? Do I want to save it? I don't know yet. I don't know. Let me get through the box, okay? Let me get through the box and I'll decide. Now I have, this is the shirt. So this is the one that we needed to pick the size for. Okay, all right, I'm taking a little peek at everything else. Sorry. Ooh, I'm just, okay, sorry. All right, you guys, I'm just so excited. I'm like becoming obsessed with mystery boxes. I don't know about you guys, but they are so fun, especially his. So many brands just throw a bunch of stuff that like nobody's buying and it constantly goes on sale. His boxes are super exciting because there's all these exclusives. So this is 1 exclusive, this is 2 exclusive. I hope there's a exclusive cosmetic in here, but we'll see. Okay, this is super cute. Okay, it's the sweet tarts. That's adorable. So it says, I'm gagging, can't relate, Jeffree Star approved, hi, how are you? One of his stars and iconic. That's really cute that he included these because I know that he was selling the sweatshirts with the things and I didn't think that there was a chance that they would be some of the stuff in the box. I don't know if he was selling this by itself. Let me know down below. Was he selling any of the stuff other than the sweatshirt with the things? Because that's really cute. That is super cute. And I like the little heart. All right. Very cute. I might hang on to this too. I don't know yet. I don't know. I gotta kind of see what I get in all of my boxes and then decide, because this is the year of trying not to be a hoarder. But girl, it's hard. Interesting. Unless this is a new exclusive, there's only 2 things that this could be. And that's the mini breaker, which I believe he did in Halloween. I didn't get the Halloween mystery boxes. Those are what prompted me to start buying them because I missed out on them. Or the mini controversy. I do have both. So if it's one of those, I will hold on to these for a giveaway. Yes, it is. And you know what? I'm excited for you guys that got it because this is one of my favorite palettes of all time, and especially his. I love the mini breaker. I kind of think it's a little bit underrated, except on my channel. I know you guys who watch me, you guys love this as much as I do, those that have your hands on it. It very much holds its own weight all by itself. You don't have to have the full-size Jawbreaker to like love this palette. I do really love it, and I'm really excited because I'll save it for a giveaway for one of you guys to win, you know, later on. That's very cool. That's very exciting. I know that's gonna happen with mystery boxes because I'm starting to collect his stuff. That's gonna happen. Duplicates, totally okay with it. Just know that if you know, going into it, if it's your first round or whatever, if you collect his stuff, there's gonna be sometimes possibilities of duplicates in your collection. We got some straws. You can never have enough metal straws. Can I be honest? What I like about his metal straws is the straw brush cleaner. I love the straw brush cleaner because I've never found one that is actually really sturdy and good. So I'm really excited about it. It's all green. I don't keep up with his straw collection, so I don't know if this is exclusive or not. We have more things to go through. I don't think so. I don't think so. No, this is the other exclusive in here. Ooh, the liquid lippy. This is why I get his mystery boxes, because the like little liquid lippies and stuff he does exclusively. So this shade is just like a little heart mystery. So cute. I always call him, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, it's like dragon's blood, fiery, beautiful. Let me show you guys instead of just talking about it. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let me turn off the lights and see if you can see a difference. You guys, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, you guys got to see this to believe this. Can't tell what this... I feel like every single one of his liquid lippies have a different smell. I can never like figure it out. I just like when they smell like root beer. Look at that metallic gorgeousness. It is totally like dragon's blood shifty. Quick spoiler for the small size in case you haven't seen it yet. So just cover your ears, earmuffs for a second. If you haven't watched it yet, you don't know and you don't want to know what's in the small size. The lip gloss that is exclusive will go so nicely with this. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Nothing. You didn't hear anything you didn't want to hear. Okay. Let's move on. There's another gloss in here. That's exciting. Okay. Let me put this away. Legends only. Ooh. Okay. All right. Okay. I want to gently take it out of its box because if I don't want to hang on to it, I want to put it in a giveaway or hang on to it for a family friend or something. Get out of your box. Are you tired of living in there? Trying to get stuff out of his packaging without ruining it is very challenging. Okay, this is like one of the nude type of glosses that might be too light for me. I don't know. I have to look at swatches. So I'm not going to swatch this one, sorry, because I might keep it, like I said, for a future giveaway or like a family friend or something. All right, let's keep going. What is this? Okay. I'm gonna take a guess. Can I do that? May I? May I please? All right. I think this is the 24 karat gold highlighter palette. Let's see if I'm right. Just because like the tissue paper, that's the only thing. Giving it away. Ooh, it is, which is really exciting. I have the platinum one. And back when it first launched, I was kind of debating on this one, but I wasn't quite sure, honestly, if it would work with my skin tone. So this is going to be one that I'm going to have to look at some swatches. But let's show... Oh my gosh, the packaging is so pretty. Wow, I like that better than the platinum one. Wow. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. That is gorgeous. Wow. Okay. That's really pretty. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it for me. I don't know. These are things that I can't be held responsible of deciding at this very point in time because I'm unboxing all these boxes and I gotta figure out what I need and what I don't need and what I can pass along to one of you guys or somebody. And very cool though. Very exciting. We got one last item in here and I don't have one of these yet, so I'm really excited to see which one it is. It's a mirror, I think. I'm pretty sure that's the boxes that it comes in. What mirror shall it be? I don't know. Do I need a mirror? Probably. Right now I just use this little tiny itty bitty one that I covered in stickers. This one right here. Folds open. So cute. But let's see if we can upgrade today, okay? Ooh, that's super cute. Look at this pink little beauty. Oh, it's so cute. It looks especially cute with my background. Oh, there's just something about looking at yourself in this star mirror that just makes you feel extra adorable. Am I right? And you know what? I've seen a lot of people bling out their mirrors, and if I do keep this, you bet your sweet bippy I want to bling it out. That's adorable. Everybody who does that, oh my goodness, talented, beautiful. I've bedazzled a couple things in my day, so I'm not sure if I should take it on the task or not, but you never know. Girl might get crafty on ya. All right, you guys, that is it. Box is empty, so that is everything that I received in my deluxe size mystery box. Let me know down below if we got the same thing. What was your variation? What do we have in common? I'm really curious to see, so definitely let me know. I do have one more box to unbox though, you guys, and that is the Supreme Queen. So if you do not want to miss that video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and your little bell is tapped on notifications. If you're watching this video in the future, then that video might already be posted and you can check the pinned comment down below and see if it's already been posted or head over to my channel and check it out. All right, you guys, I can't even think when I'm this excited, so I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing the next one, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.